Over the last few days, government has made focused efforts for the safe return of stranded Indians, given the scale of COVID-19 and its pressures on Iran's own resources. A team of 6 Indian health officials have been deputed to Iran in order to set up testing and sampling facilities there. The first batch of 108 samples were received in India on 7th March. These were tested and 58 Indian pilgrims, 25 men, 31 women and 2 children, who tested negative were repatriated in IAF C-17 special flight on 10th March. We have also received samples of 529 more Indians on this flight, which have been tested in the National Institute of Virology, Pune. So far, 299 of them have tested negative. Some more results are awaited. We continue to collect more samples in Tehran, and our endeavor is to ensure the earliest possible return of these after appropriate testing and screening. We are working with the Iranian authorities to operate some limited commercial flights to facilitate this early return. Our embassy, in cooperation with the Iranian authorities, is making arrangements for the medical care and monitoring of those who have tested positive. Our embassy staff and medical team are working around the clock under very difficult conditions to ensure the objective of earliest possible return. The House will appreciate their operational constraints given that there have been restrictions instituted for public health reasons in Iran. It is not easy to organize transport, accommodation and other logistics, and the Iranian system is very stretched, but we do appreciate the cooperation in these very difficult circumstances. Honorable Speaker, sir, I visited Srinagar recently and I took the initiative to meet parents of some of the students who are in Iran. Their anxiety at this time is completely understandable. I shared with them in detail the ground situation and sought their understanding. I assured them that the government would facilitate the earliest possible return of their children, and I would like to share with the House that the sampling of these students has begun today. Our consulate in Bandar Abbas are in touch with Indian fishermen who are in the southern provinces of Iran, including the cities of Asaloye, Chiruye and Kish. Some of them have been visited and others would be soon. Provision of essential supplies to them is being ensured. As per available information, all of them are in good health. I assure the House we will continuously track their welfare and respond to their needs. Sir, the House will surely appreciate that few other nations have done what we have with respect to end COVID-19. The global coronavirus situation is being monitored on a continuous basis by a group of secretaries headed by Cabinet Secretary and by a group of ministers headed by the Minister of Health and Family Welfare.